you want to tell me what you're doing down there?
What?
Alrighty, what are we doing?
Alright, so you've got your tips, you've got your muffler. We're gonna, I've already sprayed WD-40 on this, but there's a ton of rust, as you can probably see, so we've got to get rid of that. So I've already put some WD-40 on that, so we can take off these bolts, so we can pull this whole thing off.
We've got to loosen those nuts.
Yeah, we're gonna loosen the nuts, so we can put the new one on.
Alright, so what have we found?
Okay, so it took a bit of an effort to crack this bad boy open, but we got it. We got a 14mm and a 15mm. Your 15mm goes on the fat one. That's not going anywhere. Your 14mm is going on this other bit for us educated people, and we're just spinning it off very slowly.
We really need to go buy some ratcheting spanners, eh?
Yeah. Nice testy pop.
Yeah, you loved it. You know what's not good?
This?
There's another one on the other side of this exhaust flange, and we're gonna have to get that off somehow.
Yeah. Flange, good old flanges.
Yep.
So these are off now, and basically the only thing holding this muffler up are four of these rubber hangers. So we've got to pull
somewhere up here.
Somewhere up here, yeah. So we've got to wiggle it. I don't know if you can see it.
It's terrible. Yep.
Up there.
No idea. Yep. We're gonna get some lights eventually, and it's gonna get better as we go.
And there's a bunch of crap that just falls out, so glasses are recommended.
Yep. So basically, take the muffler off the hangers, and you should be good.
Yeah. So we're gonna do that now.
Yep.
We are gonna tackle the mid pipe.
The mid pipe.
The mid pipe.
So as you can see, we wrestled with the hangers. Didn't film it because we're a bit retarded, but we got them off. They're a bit of a pain to get off, but we got there. So raise the car up. They're on jack stands and ramps, so we're all safe. Always safety first, as always.
We're lubed up.
Lubed up. Plenty of WD-40.
If you want loud vroom vroom, you don't want that.
Exactly.
That's illegal, kids.
In this country.
In this country, anyway. Ooh.
You good there?
Yep.
Alright, so we're sliding on out of the DMs right now. Going to get some tools, and then he's going to come back, I imagine. Oh. Alright, so anyway, now that we're back, we're, he's going to slide his way on down.
This doesn't help when you're like 6'2".
And a burly man.
Oh, God.
Alrighty, so
Okay.
we got a rattle gun in here.
What are we doing?
I don't know. What are you doing?
This is not good. You're gonna want more clearance than this.
Do we need more clearance?
Yeah,
or can you get this to work?
There. That's so not fitting. Alright, we're gonna have to do this by hand. So if you're claustrophobic, not a good idea.
Cars are not for you. We really need a hoist, eh?
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, so we're going to time lapse this one, but essentially you're undoing a bolt.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Is there a second bolt on here? There is, I can see it. So cry deeply after the first one comes off, knowing that you've got to do the second one. Is mostly what I'm piecing together from this. This is going to be the dodgiest YouTube video. But we're trying, guys. We're going to learn as we go.
It's alright.
Did you know that we've been attacking this bolt for 7 minutes and 48 seconds? Alright, so your boys are back. After moving the car up again, because it was just too small, we've come back with a vengeance. We're on to the second bolt. We're about 10 minutes in for 2 bolts. It's a joke, we're more like 15 in, but that's alright.
It's fine. It's fine?
Yeah, you going alright there?
This is fine.
This is not fun, no. Are we free?
We're free, boys.
Hey!
Woo! Alright.
So that took a grand total of probably like 20 minutes to undo 2 bolts.
Yeah.
The good news is, we can only get better from here.
Yeah.
Ignore me doing the worm over here.
You grazed my leg.
Yep, you'll get over it.
Ooh!
Oh,
Nice.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Just hold there, I'll come pull it out. And yes, for everyone wondering, that is what she said.
Come pull my shaft. See if it fits on the Miata.
It's all yours if it does. Alrighty, so this is what we've got out. Got the mid pipe, got the muffler, got a dirty dude. Now this is the box with my glasses in it. So this one is an Ultrex Performance Catback, so it's a 2.5 inch stainless steel pipe all the way through. It's an Australian made thing from a company over in Perth. No idea what it sounds like, but it was cheap, so we're going to throw it on. It looks nice, so going to give it a go.
That is not what I thought it was.
Okay, so now that we've pieced this together, we've got the catback and then we've got all the mid pipe. So the stock one is just 2 pieces. You got the muffler and the whole pipe together. This one we've worked out is 3 pieces. So that's going to be fun. But anyway, so yeah, that's what it looks like. We're going to go ahead and bang it on in now. Alrighty, so long story short, we discovered that we actually had to undo the 2 sections to get it in. So the other end is attached, kind of, and hanging. You can't see anything I'm talking about. There we go. So yeah, there is attached and hanging. Here we are just tightening all this down now.
In a very professional manner.
Is that actually doing anything?
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
It's compressing them springs, yo.
I think the gods for whoever invented ratcheting spanners.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're back again, and we're just tightening down the mid-section bolts. Make sure you put your flange in the middle, and tighten away.
Keep going. Okay. That's pretty tight. Yeah.
Tight?
Yeah. Okay.
Alrighty, on to the next bit. First official classic. First official startup. I really hope this isn't disappointing. I'm gonna need my keys. Why do I just feel like this is gonna be disappointing? Moment of truth, are we ready? Yes, no?
Yep.